Hi everybody, my name is Ben. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give a brief overview of a very undervalued catalyst-rich stock called XXIX Metal. They are a copper exploration company with two very high-grade, past-producing copper projects. One is located in Ontario called Thierry, and the other one is located in Quebec called Opemiska. Very good infrastructure on the properties and very high grade. Opemiska is one of the highest grade projects in Canada. And they do have a resource on Opemiska. They have 1.72 billion pounds of copper at a very high grade of 1.12% copper in the indicated category. And in the inferred category, they have 746 million pounds at still a high grade of 0.41%. It is open for expansion, and they have a preliminary economic assessment due out on the open pit in September. They also have a potential satellite called Cooke that's located 2.5 kilometers away from Opemiska. It's more of a high grade gold asset, and they are going to do a 5,000 meter drill program to assess the Cooke asset that could be used again as a satellite project for Opemiska in the future. This is their Thierry property located in Ontario, very high grade copper project. There is a resource on the property as well. So you can see over here the K2 zone that was in production, and there's currently 861 million pounds of copper at 1.65%. And that is an underground resource. And this is the potentially open pittable resources called K1. And there's 450 million pounds of copper at 0.38%. There is a lot of expansion potential. They think that these two zones, according to this VTEM survey that was done, that they could be actually linked. So there could be mineralization in between those two zones, as well as extending it out here past K1. So lots of expansion potential on that property as well. And they are planning to drill that and doing 10,000 up to 10,000 meter drill program later on this year. You take a look at the stock here, it has been down here over the last few months. They are currently doing a financing for $6 million to move their projects ahead, and that's probably been putting some downward pressure on the stock. You can see the stock is only worth $20 million, so very undervalued considering what great assets that they do have. So very catalyst rich plans for this undervalued stock. They're going to have that PEA out in September on Opemiska. They're going to do an initial drill program on that gold asset that could potentially be a satellite for Opemiska. That's called the Cooke project. And on Thierry, they could potentially do up to 10,000 meters of drilling, expanding that project as well. So I do own shares in this company. I was not paid any money to do this. It's not a paid ad, and it's not financial advice. Please do your own research. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.